Hey everybody, Dean Searles here. On today's episode of 60 Seconds with ARC, the challenge is healthcare compliance surveys, and the solution is coming up next. A contractor has just completed an inspection at your hospital and emailed you the report. Updating your compliance documentation involves a lot of printing, sorting, and managing of binders. It's a time-consuming process that's vulnerable to mistakes and oversights. There's a better way, and it's as easy as attaching a document to an email. Let me show you how we do it. Start by launching the ARC Facilities app. Now select the Compliance module. Open the element of performance related to the contractor's inspection report. Click Add, attach your report, and then click Review and Approve to update the inspection report, and you're done. Hey, now that you've seen how easy it is to update compliance information, learn more at arcfacilities.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.